Birthday message to our little Titan Ren JZ.
Happy birthday, Aaron. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Aaron!
Happy birthday, Aaron!
Happy birthday, Eren!
Happy birthday, Aaron! Pwede lang. Roblox tayo.
Hello, Eren. Nani to. Happy birthday to you. At makabait ka at mag-aral mabuti. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Eren! Sabi mo na
Hi, Aaron. Magpakabait ka. Kasama, tatanda ka rin. Malalaman mo rin ang buhay mo. Bata't matanda. Sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ay, nga pala, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dondon. Pwede lang, bigyan mo ko pera. happy birthday, Dodong Aaron. Happy birthday sa inaanak kong Pogi. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay, una, bawasan na ang pagiging masungit at suplado mo. Pangalawa ay laging magpapakabait at makikinig sa parents. And pangatlo, enjoyin mo lang. Enjoy ka lang. And sana, pagpatuloy mo lang pagiging Roblox kid mo. I'm a proud ninang here. And ayun, enjoy your day. Kahit hindi tayo madalas nagsasama nagkikita, I'm always here for you kahit sa pagtanda mo. And pumili ng deserving na girl for you. Love you, Dodong. From Ninang A.
Say happy birthday, Aaron.
Happy birthday! Hi, Kuya Eren! Miss ka na ni Mowgli! We love you! Happy birthday! Kiss!
Happy birthday, Bodong! Sana magustuhan mo yung gift namin ni Mama. Okay, iyak.
Happy birthday, Eren!
Enjoy your day. Always remember everyone loves you and will cherish you forever. Continue being a good boy. PWEDE Lang.